Hi there, my name's Cort, and today I'm going to show you one of the many flashlight options we carry here at Total Prepare. This is the HybridLight Journey 160. It's a popular model amongst many of our customers and a personal favorite of camera person Xenia. Let's go over the key features. The Journey outputs light at 160 lumens to a range of 180 meters. It's a rugged flashlight that is both waterproof and floats. And with its solar panel for charging, it makes a great unit for emergency preparedness or camping. The Journey has got an incredible battery and will run for 30 hours on a full charge. It'll also hang on to 90% of its unspent charge for the next 7 years. These features make it an excellent addition to any emergency kit that only gets checked up on every once in a while. Finally, if the light isn't what you need, you can also take its battery and use it to charge small electronic devices like a phone or tablet. If you'd like more details about the Journey 160 from HybridLight, check it out online at our website totalprepare.ca. And until next time, be prepared, not scared.